So, how much is 100k views on YouTube? How much do you make whenever you get 100k viewers from your YouTube video? Well, guys, I'm not used to doing this kind of video, but something triggered me. And it's a comment from one of my newest YouTube channel. So the comment says, with 38 subscribers, you are giving out $1,000. How much are you making and how much is 100k viewers? Stop lying. And I replied and said, and you think this is my first ever YouTube channel? So the guy replied again and said, stop lying because you're not making as you offer. Why can't you keep the money on the table so that everyone will also say it? Anyway, I guess you are just growing your channel. So this particular comment was what triggered me into making this video that I'm just making right now. So it wasn't funny to me because most people just come to YouTube and then they start trolling people without even knowing them. Now, in his mind now, he will be like, this is this guy's first ever YouTube channel. He's using clickbait to grow his channel. He's trying to do this one, do that one, but that's not true. That's why I'm making this video. So in this video, I'm going to be looking for one of my videos that already have over 100k views and then showing you guys how much I actually made from that particular video. So let's continue with it. So heading on to my channel right now. So guys, this is my video that has already passed that 100k threshold that I'm talking about, 100k viewers. So guys, since this video was published, it has gotten over 100,000 views in a lifetime now, and the views is still coming in. So right now you can see the views I'm talking about. I can see the audience retention. So coming to the audience retention, around 35% was still watching at around 3 minutes. So you can see it right there. So this is the lifetime views in the last 48 hours, over 300 views, and then this is where it is coming from. YouTube search, other YouTube features, suggested videos, browse features, and so let's see the reach. So this is actually the reach on this YouTube channel, the impression, which is over 2 million impression, and then these are the external sites. So the external site is where the traffics are coming from aside from YouTube. So the traffics are coming from WhatsApp, Google search, and so many other places. And then the search term that brings in these viewers are chat with lonely people and get paid, chatting with lonely people, Markkings, which is my name. So these are the videos suggesting my video. So these are the 3 videos suggesting my videos, my own video and some other videos right there. Then the engagement, let's look at the engagement. Now, since this video was published, it has gotten over 10,000 watch hour views, and you can see right there 10,000 watch hour views. So you can see the audience, the average duration viewed, and then you can see the audience. Let me show you the audience. So these are actually the audience. The gender, male and female, are watching. Then the ages, almost all the ages are also watching, from 13 to 17, from 18 to 24, from 25 to 34, from 35 to 44, from 45 to 54, from 55 to 64, and then 65 plus. Then coming to the gender, male and female, like I said, male and female are still watching. Now the top geographies that are watching this video, the countries that are watching it, the first on the list is Nigeria. Nigeria is leading by 40%. Then the next is United States. So United States are watching this video, and then Kenya. Now the ratio of people that subscribe to the people that did not subscribe is around 94 to 5%. So which means if I can easily get these people to subscribe, that means I will reach my 100k subscribers threshold. As simple as that. So now, before I show you guys, so this is the retention. The retention keep fluctuating over time because the video is old and so many people has already done this particular video. So many people even replicate my video to do it and then post it on YouTube. So that was it. Now, after that, before I show you the earning, so this is the subscribers this video got for me, over 13,000 subscribers. Over 13,000 subscribers. Now, before I go on to show you the revenue, I would like you to have in mind that the revenue I will get in 100k viewers might be different from the revenue that you will get in 100k viewers. Now, the reason is that the amount you are being paid in any video determines the niche you are doing the video on. Now, someone in entertainment can get this 100k, over 100k views and still get somewhere like $50. So some people will even get something less than $50, around $30. Some people will get around 100, 300, 500, depending on the niche and then the countries that are watching you. So if the countries that are watching you are from the top tier countries like United States, Canada, UK, then your CPM will be high. But if the countries that are watching you are from the third world country, yeah, developing countries such as Nigeria, uh, Kenya, from Africa, let's just say Africa in general, if countries that are watching you are in Africa, then there is a probability that you won't have enough earning. Now, these are the things that actually determine. So coming to that niche that I talked about, somebody who is doing tech and someone who is doing entertainment is not the same when it comes to money that are being paid to these two, because advertisers that are bidding in tech are bidding high more than the people that are bidding in entertainment. So these are the difference between the two advertisers. So right now, let me show you guys the revenue so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Now coming to the revenue, you can see the revenue right here is over 2k revenue, over $2,000 in this video, and the money is still counting. Not like it has ended there. The money is still counting, over $2,000 in just one video. So you see what I'm talking about now. And this is because of the niche that I did this video on. So someone who is doing tech and someone who is doing entertainment is not the same. I will keep repeating myself. You understand? So your niche determines how much you're going to be earning from YouTube. So some niche pays higher than the others. So that's what you need to know. There are high paying niches out there and there are low paying niches. And this is not supposed to be a news, because this has been there since the inception of YouTube, since YouTube started paying its creators. So this is how YouTube has been. So this is the amount I actually made in one video, and I've made much more than this, you understand? So for the person trolling me on that comment section, trust me, I will tag you in this video so that you will know what I'm talking about. So whenever you start trolling people, before you even go and troll people online, make sure you know them in person before trolling them. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. So if you're a new viewer who's just coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful. So thanks for watching once again, and see you guys in the next video.